Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create an animated 3D rocket in PowerPoint. Whether you are beginner or an expert, this step-by-step guide will help you create a stunning 3D rocket for your presentation. So let's get started. Right click, go to Format Background, click on Picture or Texture Fill. Go to File and select and insert it. First, let's create the main body of the rocket. Select oval shape. Draw a perfect circle by holding down the Shift key and set its size to 4.5 cm by 4.5 cm. This will be the top part of the rocket. Next, duplicate the oval shape and set its size to 2.5 cm by 2.5 cm. Now, again duplicate this 2 times and set size for this shape as 2.7 cm by 2.7 cm. Now, let's create the rocket fins. Insert a cross shape from the shape menu. Drag the yellow dot to left side and set its size to 5.5 cm by 5.5 cm. Press Ctrl+Shift to duplicate this circle shape. Select both, then align center and align middle. Now go to Merge Shape and select Subtract. Select this circle shape also and change the color from Shape Fill. Shape Outline, make it no outline. Select these two circles and change the color from Shape Fill. Shape Outline, make it no outline. Right click, go to Format Shape and increase transparency. To give our rocket a 3D look, we will use 3D rotation and format tools. Select all, click on 3D rotation, choose Off Axis 2 from the preset. Next, select this circle under 3D format. Select circle from the top bevel option. Set the width to 37 and height to 136. For the bottom bevel, also set the width to 37 and height to 136. Choose plastic from the materials option to give it a glossy finish. Repeat similar step for the second and third oval shape. Using angle for the bevel, setting the width to 36 and height to 80 and choosing the metal from the material. For the bottom section, set width to 35 and height to 108 and select translucent powder from the material. Select the circle shape, go to bottom bevel, select cross bevel and set the width to 20, height to 12 and depth size to 12. Choose metal from the material. Now, let's enhance the fins. Select the cross shape, select circle from the top bevel and set the width to 16, height to 100. And from the bottom bevel, select angle bevel, set the size 8 and 60 and choose plastic from the material. To make it more dynamic, use the distance from ground option in the 3D rotation setting. Set the value to 268, 346 pt, 4 pt and 133 pt. Once all the components are ready, select all the shape. Choose no rotation from preset and use the align and group option to assemble the rocket. For precise alignment, adjust the 3D rotation settings. X rotation 290, Y rotation 330, Z rotation 160. Finally, let's bring our rocket to life with animation. Go to the Animation tab and choose the line animation. Adjust the path so the rocket appears to launch upwards. Go to Animation pane. Set the smooth start 0 and also set the smooth end to 0. Go to Timing. Select duration. Now click on slideshow. And there you have it. A beautifully animated 3D rocket created entirely in PowerPoint.